First, let's do the setup. In the setup block, we'll initialize the eyes, the servo motors, all the connections of the servos on the MoonBot, the speakers, and the vision sensor. The vision sensor is connected to the serial 3 port. To program the Lucky Cat behavior, we divide it into 2 states, wave state and the following state. In the wave state, the Lucky Cat will wave its hand, and in the follow state, it will follow to the nearest person. And we use a switch statement, switch block, to switch between these 2 states. Remember, anything outside setup block is repeated, so the Lucky Cat will repeatedly switching between the 2 states. Now let's specify what we should do in the wave state. Here we mainly control the hand that is connected to the servo 1. First set to the initial position of 90 degrees, then we repeat the action for 3 times. Here we move the hand from 90 degree gradually to 110 degree using a count block. We repeat another count block to move the hand from 110 back to 70, and then another block from 70 to 90 to the original position. To program the follow state, we use the vision sensor's detected body position to move the servos and tank base to aim at people. The horizontal position is used to turn the tank base left or right. The vertical position is used to turn the head servo 3, up or down. After the follow state is done, we switch back to the wave state. We also add a function to play the cat song. We want to play the song only once when the Lucky Cat is turning. Finally, we add some LED eye effect to show the eye movement. Okay, that's all the program for the Lucky Cat. Great job!